Texacom's hybrid systems offer both wired and wireless options. Here I'm installing a wired capture D20 motion detector in the garage. Proper alignment and microwave pot adjustment ensure optimal detection coverage. For wireless installations, I always test the signal strength by ricochet diagnostics first to ensure optimal performance before securing the device. These wireless microcontacts and shock sensors come with screws and adhesive strips for installation. For compliance with Grade 2 systems, I would also use the countersunk screws provided. Always avoid placement near ferrous materials or other wireless sources to prevent interference. Shock sensors must be calibrated to the surface they are installed on. Too high sensitivity can lead to false alarms. It's important to avoid placing these capture detectors near excessive heat sources like radiators, boilers or direct sunlight to prevent false alarms. This external detector is designed to provide early warning of intruders in outdoor spaces. It sends notifications to a mobile phone when the system is armed without triggering the full alarm. Proper positioning is key to avoiding false alarms from wildlife or environmental factors. Ricochet Monitor gives me a clear view of the mesh network, signal security and basic signal strength. This helps ensure a stable and reliable wireless system once the wireless products are installed in their final positions. With Texacom's customised Odyssey X bell box inserts, your company logo and contact details get maximum exposure. These photo quality graphic inserts replace traditional screen printing, ensuring a professional finish that enhances brand visibility. An external sounder is a great deterrent against intruders. The backlit feature helps make it visible even at night. Always position sounders at a height that prevents tampering.